Welcome this week to Parashat Vaera. It is the beginning of the end for the Egyptians, as Hashem rains down upon them 7 of the 10 plagues, of the 10 makot. The second plague, tzfardea, frogs, is interesting in many respects, but I want to just mention one today. Upon the emerging of the frogs from the water, going onto land and then to inhabit and infest the houses, the people's bodies, their ovens, it says in the Torah, Vata'al hatzfardea, the frog, singular, went up from the river. Rashi points out that it says one frog, it would go out, a person would hit it, and it would split into 2. When people saw those frogs, they hit them, and they split into more, and so on, and so on. Okay, that answers how we had so many frogs, because the people kept hitting them. But doesn't that beg the question, one very simple question? Let me ask you, if you noticed that you had frogs, or anything else that you didn't want, and when you hit it, it split and you had more, and you hit them again, and you had more, what would you do? The average person at least, would stop hitting the frog. That would make sense. Then you have only 4 frogs or 16 frogs. This tells us the power, the destructive power of anger. When they saw the frogs, they wanted them to leave. When they would hit them, they would split. And in spite of the fact that they saw with their own eyes that they would be splitting and having more frogs when they hit them, they couldn't control their anger. Anger going unchecked can cause irreparable damage. And that's one of the side issues that we learn from the plague, the Makkah of Tzfardea. Shabbat Shalom.